Morning everyone. This class is about cell division, that is mitosis. This class is very important for NEET examination. So carefully watch this class. Let us go into the class. See, what you are seeing is the cell cycle. A cell cycle is very important for the growth of any organism. Okay, if you take this is a human cell cycle, in the sense it takes 24 hours to complete a cycle. Okay, so if you are seeing here, this is resting stage. This phase is called as resting phase, and this is called as mitosis phase. Okay, that is what it is called as in short form. It is M phase. Okay, this part is interphase. Actually, if you are taking the cell cycle, it consists of two basic phases. One is interphase, okay, and the next one is M phase. M phase is nothing but mitosis phase, okay. And let us take this interphase. Interphase consists of three different phases. Okay, what are those? In the sense, G1 phase, S phase, and G2 phase. Okay, so I told you to complete this complete cell cycle, it takes 24 hours. Okay, that is one day in human cells. Okay, it takes one day. Whereas if you take the yeast cell, in the sense, it takes only 90 minutes to complete the cell cycle. So let us see the human cell division, mitosis. Okay, so the first phase, that is the interphase. Under the interphase, the first one is G phase. So what happens at this phase? In the sense, the cell grow. Okay, the cell grow in the sense it needs some necessary things, isn't it? So the nuclear plasm should enhance and cytoplasm should increase. So the growth takes place. Cell growth takes place in the G1 phase. Coming to the S phase, what is happening in the S phase? In the sense, we know that is, let me take the pointer. See, you know that is, let us consider this is the cell and this is the nucleus. Okay, inside it will be the chromatin fibers, right? So this chromatin fiber replicate. Okay, replicate in the sense becomes double. Okay, and coming to this one, the G2 phase, the preparation for mitosis, that is division. Okay, it is ready for the cell is ready for the division, right? And after that the first phase is prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and cytokinesis. Okay, let us see one by one what is happening during the mitosis. Cytokinesis involves the following four. Cytokinesis in the sense division of nucleus. Okay, so karyokinesis means division of nucleus. Cytokinesis in the sense division of cytoplasm. Okay, so let us see the prophase. What is happening during the prophase? In the sense, this is the nuclear membrane, it starts disappearing. Okay, it starts disappearing, and the DNA they condenses and they form the chromosome. This is see, actually in a human nucleus there are 23 pairs of chromosome. This is for diagrammatic representation, we have shown only 4 chromosome. Okay, so what it does? In the sense, it divides into chromatid, and the DNA I have shown here, it is in the form of helical structure, isn't it? But here it condensed and they form the chromosome, right? So this is called as prophase, and this is centriole. These centriole, they move towards the polar region. Okay, one comes to this region and another comes to the next pole. Okay, this is what happening in the prophase. Let us see what is anaphase. Metaphase. Let us take the metaphase. In the metaphase, what happens? The two centrioles, they reach the opposite pole, and the chromosomes, they form a plate-like structure. Okay, they move towards the center, and they form a plate-like structure. And the centriole, they create a spindle fiber. These spindle fibers, they join at the middle. Okay, middle. This is called the centromere. Okay, this spindle fibers, they join in the centromere, and this stage is called as metaphase. Okay, how you identify this phase? In the sense, all the chromosomes, they arranged in the middle, and it forms a plate-like structure. So you can identify very easily. If anything question comes, the diagram like this, in the sense, you can answer very easily. Okay, so this is what phase this is called as? It is a metaphase. Coming to the next one, this phase is called as anaphase. So how you identify the anaphase? In the sense, the spindle fibers, they contract it, and they pull the chromatids towards the opposite direction. See, already we have seen it is 4 in the sense each and every chromosome has its chromatid, isn't it? So you can find the tetrad like. Okay, so what happened during the anaphase? The middle, the centromere, they detach, and this chromatid moves towards this pole, and that chromatid moves to that pole. That's what you have seen here. Can you see here? Yeah, this is this spindle fiber attached with the centromere, and it is pulling towards the opposite pole. So this phase is called as anaphase. Okay. Next is called as telophase. What is telophase? In the sense, see, it is completely separated. So here this part got 4 chromatid, and that part also got 4 chromatid. Both are similar. Okay, both are similar. The DNA material or similar. Okay, what is this chromosome? What is this chromatid got? The same material will be present here. Same amino acids will be present here. Okay, so this is in this way. And what happened here in the telophase? The appearance of nuclear membrane, and the spindle fibers, they shrink. Okay, and this centriole also replicate and form the pair of the another centriole. Okay. So here at this stage, what is happening in this? All the other organelles are starts developing here. Okay, and a slow depression. You can see a slight depression here. This is the starting stage of cytokinesis. Cytokinesis in the sense division of cytoplasm. So what happened? This deeper, and this both sides deeper, and they detach from each other. Okay, that is called as cytokinesis. You can see separate cells here. Okay, then at this time you can find the cell size is a little bit smaller. Then it enter into the interphase, that is resting phase. So it comes to its maximum size. You can see this in the video. Can you see this? This phase is anaphase. Okay, we can see now this is the mature cell. So this nucleus, okay, the DNA is double, and slowly the membrane disappear. This is the chromatin fiber, and this is nucleolus. Now we can see this. The nucleus is completely disappearing and leaving the chromosomes, centriole. Okay, and the spindle fiber formation takes place. This is how it is arranged at the middle, and this is the anapase. Okay, now cytokinesis, formation of two cells. Okay. Let us see the importance of mitosis. So mitosis usually result in the production of diploid daughter cells. What is diploid daughter cell in the sense? The cells have 2n number of chromosome. Okay. See, for example, this is the mother cell in the sense. When it divides into two cells, isn't it? So we have seen there four chromosome in the sense this gets 4 chromatids and this also gets 4 chromatids. So 2n number in the sense, what is 2n number? I told you human chromosome number is 23 pairs in each and every cell, isn't it? So after division, karyokinesis of mitosis, this daughter cell possess 23 and this daughter cell also possess 23 chromatins. Okay, then they replicate and form the chromosome. So 23 pairs of chromosomes will be here, and here also 23 pairs of chromosomes. So totally 46 chromosomes. Okay, so this is called as 2n number. 2n in the sense 23 is from the father and 23 is from the mother. Okay, while the gamete fusion 23 are chromosomes are from father and other 23 are from mother. Okay, so this is called as 2n number of chromosome. Okay, so at the time of mitosis division, this 23 pair as it is enter into the two daughter cells. Okay, this is mother cell and mother cell divides into two daughter cells. This cycle goes on. Okay, this cell division goes on. So there is no death of the cell actually. So the mother cell divides into two. So by only the organism they continuously grow. Okay, see, first it is one cell. When we how we form in the sense, we are formed from a single cell. Okay, that cell is called as zygote. That is after the fusion of sperm as well as egg. Okay, so the sperm consists of 23 chromosomes and the ovum consists of another 23. So we got a single cell zygote. It is of 46 chromosome. This 46 chromosome, okay, then divides into two daughter cells. Again these two daughter cells divides into 4 daughter cell. Okay, then these 4 daughter cells into 8. So 8 into 16, then 32. So like that the organism grows. Okay, so mitosis is very very important for the growth of the organism. Okay, multicellular organism. Then the cell growth result in disturbing the ratio between the nucleus and the cytoplasm. So after the nuclear division, the cytoplasm divide, isn't it? So the materials also divide as same as that of the mother cell. So half from mother cell comes to this side and half of the cytoplasm comes to this side. Okay, the organelles are distributed evenly. And this is very very important for cell repair. What do you mean by cell repair? What do you mean by cell repair? Cell repair is very very important, isn't it? Why? In the sense, see, for example, this is, let us take this is a hand. Let us take this is your hand. Okay, and what happened, there is an injury got in your hand at this part, and this muscle this part of the muscle is removed from your hand. In the sense, what happened after few days, this will be filled. This is because the cell repair. Okay, that is, the mitosis takes place very fastly at this area and heal the wound. Okay, so this is called as cell repair. or if anything, any damage or any cut happens here, that area will be very soon, it will be cured. That is because of the cell division. That is, the damaged cells are removed and new cells are formed at this area. Okay. And if you see the next point, the cells of the upper layer of the epidermis, the cells of the lining of the gut, and the blood cells are being constantly replaced, because the outer skin region, right, the skin region gets, usually it will be removed, because due to various reasons the skin cells are dried or damaged, so this will be replaced, the skin will be replaced. You can find sometimes during the seasonal change, you can find the inside palm. Can you ever observe this one? Inside of your palm, if you rub it, there will be some scratches, some scrap which comes outside from our palm, isn't it? The skin, we can peel the skin at that time, right? The dead cells, those are the dead cells, so it will be replaced by the new cells. Okay. Like that in the foot also, and near the nail region it happens. And the gut lining, blood cells are also replaced and new cells will be formed. That is due to mitotic division. Okay. And the apical and lateral cambium in plants, okay, result a continuous growth of plants throughout their life. So mitosis is very important cycle. Because of that only the organisms grows to a maximum size. Okay. And GIAS Academy is offering foundation program for NEET as well as JEE for class 6 to 10, as well as the advanced program for class 11 and 12. So interested members can contact. The fee is affordable. You can contact the following numbers and you can get the benefit. We are also giving the robotics. Interested schools can contact to this number and you can get benefit. Thank you so much for observing this class. So make a note, very important note.